question 2. We are given the triangle there. So before we go into the calculations, let's first analyze what we are given. So looking at the triangle that we are given, I can see two angles and one given side. So the rule that we're going to use there is the sine rule, because we're given two angles and a side. So we're going to use sine rule. So let's do this. Okay, so from here the first step is, let us write the formula for sine rule. So we have A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which is also equal to C over sine C. Now from here, let's replace according to the letters that we are having there. So we'll change the letters now. We have P over sine P, capital letter, for the angle, which is equal to, then we'll check another letter from there. We are going to get Q over sine Q. Then we'll also get another letter from there, which will also be, this is Q, which will also be equal to R, small r, over sine capital R. Yeah. Then from here now we're going to pick the one which is linked to the question that we have, and the one which is having everything. So there is P over sine P, which is going to move together with the R over sine R, because we have the distance R and also the angle at R. We can find it from there. So we'll move with P over sine P, which is equal to R over sine R. Then from there we are going to do what? We are going to replace now, since we are going to replace. So we'll have Q R, which is the distance, QR, which is the distance, over sine 42 degrees, which is equal to, then there our R has been given as 16.1 over, then sine R has also been given as sine 85. Then from there we are going to repeat everything, which is the QR over sine 42 is equal to 16.1 over sine 85, so that we can now cross multiply from here. So from there now we can cross multiply, so that we'll have now sine 85 times QR, which will give us sine 85 QR, or times QR, it's just the same, which is equal to, and then we multiply the two, which is sine 42 times 16.1. Then from there, do not multiply them on the calculator. First you have to do this. You say sine 85 QR is equal to the other side, which is sine 42 times 16.1. Then from here, divide both sides by sine 85, even the other side by sine 85. Then you cancel those. You are going to cancel those, so that you just remain with QR. This is now the part where you are going to use the calculator on the other side, on the right side. Yeah, on the right side you're going to use now a calculator. So after cancelling that, we have QR is equal to, then we can use the calculator from there, just by putting sine 42 times 16.1, the answer divided by sine 85, which will simply give us something like 10.8115385. 388. Then we have QR is equals to 10.81. Then from there we have QR is equal to 10.8 meters.